liquidity grab and break of structure, LG and BOS, is similar to the first version that we just went over. But with this one now, it's not just one candlestick that closes above. It could also be a series of candlesticks that closes above. So what I mean by that is, for example, you can see clearly on the chart, this is the original high. Obviously it's pulling back, etc. Look at the spike. This is just a liquidity grab. Again, a liquidity grab. This as well is a liquidity grab, even though the body closed above, but the distance from the body close towards the high of the previous structure is really, really tiny. Over here, we've got another liquidity grab, We do have a bullish candlestick, but the bullish candlestick is really, really weak and small. Even this massive candlestick, now pay attention, this is really important. Even this massive candlestick, you might believe it's a strong momentum confirmation break of structure, but it's not. Really what it is, what broke structure is just this. It was just this body here, as you can see. So even this is a weak break of structure. Until we got this particular candlestick, very, very clean, very, very strong, and the distance from the close towards the previous high level, there's a big distance. So this is clear confirmation of the break of structure, whereas all the other examples are just liquidity grabs. So please make a note on that, as it's really, really important to understand the difference between liquidity grab and break of structure, especially what I just mentioned here. Really, really important.